bounds.
Hello, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to unbox an earphone which I bought from Mintra, and it is priced at 522, which is not the actual price, but I got it at a discount. The product which I have bought is called the Boult earphones. So let's unbox it today. The packing quality is pretty good this time. By the way, I got it on a sale. So let's see what is the MRP of this product. So on the box there is a plastic covering in which there is a tag which shows that it is priced at rupees 1479. As you can see, the price on the box is also written 1479 and the color is black. The product name is Bolt Black and Red Loop Wired Earphone with ear loop and mic. So this there are some specifications shown here, and it says it has in a built-in micro for deep bass and 3D acoustics, built-in mic, ear loop for sunk fit, L-shaped connector, and a 1 year warranty too. So let's break the plastic foil which has covered the box. The box quality is looking good. So let's open it. The way of packing is very much good. So this is the warranty card and it says it has 1 year warranty which we can avail if there is any manufacturing defect. There is nothing in the box except the warranty card. I think everything is in this small bag. There is a branding which says Bolt Audio. So let's open it. I think this is this is the earphone, which also contains a clip and some earbuds of I think a small and the big size. So two pairs of earbuds, one of big size and one of a small size. And the other pair is this one. Two pairs. So keep this aside. Let's open the earphones. Oh, I can see there is a magnet given so that they can stay together when we are not listening. The way of packing is very much better. It is feeling like a premium quality earphone. The branding of Bolt Audio is given. Overall quality of the wire is pretty good. So this is the mic basically. It has one pause and play button, no buttons for volumes. The 3.5 mm headphone jack is gold plated. So this is the whole thing which we get in this earphone, and we are going to do a review of this in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.